Today we are tackling one of the most confusing topics for English learners, the difference between do and make. Have you ever wondered, do I do an effort or do I make an effort? Or maybe it is to do a mistake or make a mistake. If so, don't worry, you are not alone. These two little words can be tricky, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's get started. Let's break it down. The main difference is simple. Use do when talking about actions, tasks, or general activities. Use make when talking about creating or producing something or achieving a result. Do the dishes. Do your homework. Do some work. Think of do as something that involves work or responsibility. It's about completing a task or an action. Now make. Make is all about creating or producing something or focusing on a result. For example, make a cake, make a decision, make a mess. So if you are creating something or producing the result, use make. It's that simple. Now English wouldn't be English without some exceptions, right? Let's talk about few phrases that don't follow the usual rules. You say, do your best, not make your best. But you say, make a mistake, no, not do a mistake. Why? Because that's just how native speakers use these phrases. Some expressions just need to be memorized. Here are few more. Do a favor, do the laundry, make an effort, make a phone call. So, keep an eye out for these fixed phrases. Learning them will make your English sound more natural. Okay, let's see how well you understand the difference. I'll say a sentence and you will fill in the blank with either do or make. Ready? I need to the laundry today. Let's plans for the weekend. She always try to her best at work. Did you a mistake on your test? How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments. Now you know the difference between do and make. Remember, use do for actions and tasks. Use make for creating or producing something. The more you practice, the easier it will get. And tell me in the comments what's one do or make phrases you always struggled with. I would love to help you out. Thanks for watching.